friends, today we are here with you with another informative video. We are going to unbox IP camera. This is IP security camera, and this brand is Ezviz C6N. I have purchased this from Daraz. Today we are going to unbox and review for this camera. Okay, let's go. Ezviz C6N. This is full HD 1080 pixels. I will tell you other specs of this. Before telling these, I will check the box. This has smart night vision with smart infrared up to 33 feet per 10 meter. It has motorized pan and tilt 360 visual coverage. It has sleep mode for privacy protection. It has motion detection. If someone passes from in front of the camera detects that person, and it indicates it on your mobile that someone is moving in front of your camera, and you can take action against that. So it's very important function, and it is very useful function. Then it's smart tracking. You can track it, you can track your loved ones, you can track your home, you can track your valuables from everywhere, from anywhere around the world. And it has two-way talk. Two-way talk means you can contact, you can talk with the other person where the camera is placed from anywhere in the world through your mobile. View from anywhere. So it has already, I have told that, and it has Wi-Fi connectivity. You can use additional micro SD slot. It has up to 256 GB. That's a good option, that you can use 256 GB additional storage to save your data. Secure cloud storage. It is optional. You can purchase cloud storage and your data will be secure. You can store your data over cloud. So there's an additional feature, but it's optional and good feature. So going to unbox today's camera, Ezviz C6N. You will really enjoy this video, and this is going to be very informative video. Okay, so be with us and check the unboxing. Okay. What's in the box? Check all these things. It has a box. Inside the box it has charger. This is wall clip, or you can hang it anywhere with these clips. And it has an adapter, and this is wire. This wire will be connected to the camera, then in the adapter. Then we have a smart guide, quick guide. This is a quick guide, start guide. Please read this carefully before operating any appliances or any electronic device. These things are very useful. First, going to this before operating any device. This is instruction. Really beautiful camera. And you can see here you can put your memory card. No one knows where is memory card, but it will be placed here. After that, camera will be look like this. Anyone can't see the memory card where you have placed the memory card, so it's in secure hands. This is QR code for connectivity. When you install application of Ezviz in your mobile, then you can connect the mobile with this device through this QR code. This is a speaker. Then I think it has a better speaker, so you can hear the voice very easily and better voice. It has connectivity. You can connect it through wire, or you can directly connect through your Wi-Fi wirelessly. And this is support for power. Nothing else. This is the basic model, basic features. It has image sensor, 1 by 4 inch progressive scan, that is CMOS lens, and a shutter speed, self adaptive shutter. Lens is 4 mm f2.4. It has view angle of 85° diagonal and 75° horizontal, and 45° it's vertical. Lens mount M12, day and night infrared cut filter with auto switching. Auto switching means it will automatically detect the day and night. It will act according to the light. Has an image resolution maximum 1920 into 1080. I think that's the good image resolution. Its frame rate is 15 frame per second, and it has smart alarm, motion detection. If it will detect the motion, it will send you alarm in your mobile. It has Wi-Fi sharing, good IP camera. In this price range, its price is about 4500 PKR. That would be around $25, just $25. I think it has great features in this price range. It will rotate like this. It has 360 rotation. It's move to and fro, right, left. You can move through your mobile phone. That would be easy to operate this. When you operate through your mobile, you can easily connect this. First, you need to create an account, and to create the account, you need to download the app. The app name is Ezviz. You can download it from App Store or Google Play. After installing the app, just create the account and then add the camera to your mobile application by clicking the plus sign, and then scan the code behind the camera. That is a QR code. That's this is, and it will automatically detect the camera and connect it to your mobile phone. And these are the LEDs to be used at night, so it's night vision camera, and the result is awesome, good result. So you can buy this in this price range. This is the indoor camera. You can't use it outside because it's not a waterproof camera. Yeah, so use it inside your home. I have already given a review on same like camera. I think Xiaomi brand is far better than this Ezviz brand, because if I compare the quality of both materials, Xiaomi is better than this. If you have a budget, then go for Xiaomi. Otherwise, in this budget, in this range, Ezviz is better. It's my opinion. I will recommend it Xiaomi to use as a security surveillance. Please use EasyBiz app device Wi-Fi configuration. Now camera is ready to integrate with the mobile. If light is blue and blinking, then the camera is ready to connect with your mobile phone. If this is red, please wait for the blue LED blue light, and after that connect your camera with your mobile.